Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the mint marker. First, locate the mint mark on your coin. These small letters or symbols tell you which United States mint facility produced it. For many coins, you'll find the mark on either the obverse or front, or the reverse or back. Using a magnifying glass or a jeweler's loupe, perhaps with 10x magnification, will greatly assist in clearly seeing these tiny details. The United States Mint uses specific letters to denote its facilities. A P mark means your coin was struck in Philadelphia, while a D indicates the Denver Mint. Coins from the San Francisco Mint carry an S, and the less common W is reserved for coins produced at the West Point Mint. Knowing these common markers helps you quickly identify a coin's origin and understand its journey. Mint mark placement can vary by coin denomination. For example, on many pennies, you'll find the mint mark just below the date. Quarters usually display their mark on the obverse, close to the year. Dimes often have the mark above the date on the obverse. Always check both sides, as some older or less common coins might have their mark on the reverse. Mint marks are crucial for coin collectors and enthusiasts. They significantly impact a coin's rarity and, consequently, its market value. Collectors often specialize in acquiring coins from particular mints or seeking out rare mint mark varieties. These small letters also offer valuable historical insight into where and when a coin was produced, adding depth to its story and appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.